It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we cook good eats and make sweet treats. And on this episode, we will be exploring a culinary staple of my home state of South Dakota. It can be found in many restaurants, and it's quite tasty. Today, we'll be making Chislic. Being a South Dakotan, I've recently developed a fondness for Chislic, which is a popular appetizer there. However, I didn't eat it all that much as a kid due to being a picky eater. But as I got older and my tastes in other foods grew, I figured it would be a nice thing to have. Upon my most recent trip to South Dakota, I had some Chislic at a restaurant, and that's what inspired me to make some of my own. Now, Chislic traditionally uses lamb, but for this episode, we'll be using steak. So what are we waiting for? Let's get making. For utensils, you'll need a deep fryer and fryer basket, a medium-sized bowl, paper towels, a cutting board, a knife, a teaspoon, a small paper plate, and a large paper plate. And for ingredients, you'll need a ribeye steak, vegetable oil, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and meat seasoning. First, add vegetable oil into your deep fryer until it's close to the full mark. The precise amount of oil depends on the model and make of your deep fryer. Next, set your deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we prep the meat. Set your steak on your cutting board and cut it into small cubes. Once your steak is cubed, add it into your bowl. Then, add in 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of meat seasoning. Once that's done, mix them all together with your hands. When your meat is ready, set your fryer basket on top of the paper towels. Then add your Chislic into the basket as a single layer. When that is done, slowly lower the basket into the oil and fry for 2 minutes. When your timer goes off, remove the Chislic from the fryer and drain them onto the paper towels. Then, repeat the cooking process until your Chislic is all cooked. And once your Chislic is all done, serve it on the small paper plate and enjoy. And there you go, a culinary delight from my home state of South Dakota. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on making! It was all in the cookies.